Hey, what's up, boo boy? What we playing today?
Airport.
Airports?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
And those bottles over there.
There's bottles over there.
And flip them.
You trying to make flip with them bottles? All right, bring them so we can make.
Flip.
Oh, good, good boy.
Maybe have two piggies.
Huh?
And this is for Teddy. Let's go back to the boat. This is for the plane. It's for the plane. There's a door right here.
Okay,
The people goes in here.
okay.
And those guys are going there.
What's that for?
What?
That. You
That's
broke it.
all.
Oh, you broke it.
No, then.
It ain't broke. Okay.
It's just a track for the plane.
Oh, it's a track for the plane?
Uh-huh.
Okay, show me, show me. Show me how you play that.
Open it. Open the wheels. You want to see something cool?
What? Oh,
And pipe.
okay.
That's cool. I like this
You,
airport.
you like it?
Uh-huh. And the sun goes right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. Oh no, the bridge is broken. We need to call somebody.
Okay. Call somebody. Hello?
The track is broken at the airport.
Oh, it's broken? Okay, I come down there and fix it.
Okay.
Dun dun. Dun dun. Okay, it's all fixed. Huh? Turn it off, turn it off. You're the ambulance. Pew, pew. Done. Let me see the airplane. You're supposed to fly. Oh, earthquake. Fix it, fix it. Yes, you can. You're the construction worker. There you go.
Because it doesn't fall off. Mm, the other one. Okay, this thing. Okay, for this. Oh yeah.
Come on, let's fly the airplane. Go around. Fly your airplane. Come on. Yeah. That's how you fly an airplane? I don't think that's the way you fly airplanes. You gotta hold it like that. Look. Let me see. There you go. Not like that. Let me see.
It's shaky.
Like that, like that. You gotta hold it like that. From the back.
It's on the front.
Press the button. There you go. Go around like it ain't shaking. It ain't shaking. So it crashed. You done? Okay, we fixed it then. Yeah, but you gotta play with that. You can't be breaking it all the time now, boot boy. You gotta play with it. Huh? Let me see it. Oh yeah. Gotta put it on the sides. The one now? Oh, okay. So what's next? What we doing? What next, bad boy? Huh? You fell off? Why don't you stop playing with your airplane? Go ahead. How many times you gonna have to wreck? Why don't you instead of crashing the airplane all the time, why don't you play with it, like fly around it? Okay, don't do the same thing no more. You gotta keep playing with your airplane, boot boy. All right, come on.
Why is this open?
I don't know. Come on. Dale. Here, fix it.
Look, that's doing. You want to fix it with me?
Huh?
It's bent.
There you go.
Why is it falling off? Keep falling off. Okay. And the other side. Make sure something. And the airplane is going this way.
Huh?
Hi.
We need cars? Go get them cars then.
At my room?
Yeah, go get them. So we can throw them down here. Go get your little cars.
Okay.
Well, now I'm about to fix this.
Look at this.
Yeah, hurry up. Go get your cars. Hurry up. Hurry up. Look at Boo Boy getting his cars. Dun, 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 dun. Hurry up, Boo Boy. Go get your car. Waiting for Boot Boy. Boot Boy went out of town to get his toy car. Okay, we're arriving. We're arriving. Guess Boot Boy, come back. Let me see your cars. One is for me. That's it. Okay, one for me, one for you. Okay. Oh. Okay, bring it over here. What you doing against the wall? Come on, bring your card. Put your card over here. Bring your card. Bring the other card. Let me see it. Okay, you go that way and I'll go this way, okay?
This is my favorite one.
That's your favorite card? All right, let me see it. Okay, you go that way and I go that way.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Go fast.
Okay.
What they do?
What are you jumping for? You can't be jumping like that. Huh?
This is like a road right here.
Nah, it's right here. The road's right here. Come on. Like that, look. You see that? Do yours like that.
It's yours.
Okay. I'll go first, okay? Oops, you broke it. All right, fix it. Oh, you broke it now. Okay, let's put it back. Got it. Put the little flat back. Okay, put the little flat back. There you go. This one goes right here. This one go right here. This is my little sport car.
I know. Let's put it like this. That's cool. Like put it like this.
Which way? Okay, however you want to put it. I don't think you want to put it like that because if you run the car this way, you're going to hit the flag.
Okay.
You don't want to wreck your car like that because your car going to flip over.
Okay.
Okay, where's my car at? That's mine.
Whoa, how you catch it?
Good catch here. Catch it. Boom. Throw it. Catch it. Catch it. Okay, that's it. That's good enough. Okay, let's stop playing now.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Backwards.
It's backwards? Okay, you go first. Up. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. Come on.
It's like molded.
Yeah, it's molded. 1, 2, 3. It's a motorcycle. 1, 2, 3. Nah, don't throw it. You gotta do it like that. Look. There you go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh. One more time. 1, 2, 3. It's backwards. 1, 2, 3. Hey.
You did. He's got the win.
All right. Go one more time. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Hey. One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Backwards?
Oh, it's backwards? No, yours is backwards, see? All right, you do it like that. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. I want to do the backflip with the bottles.
The what?
Backflip with the bottles.
With the bottles? All right, bring the bottles in. They're trying to do backflip with the bottles.
It's your bottle.
All right, come on. I'll go first. You go first.
Okay. You go first.
Whoa. Sorry. Do it. Your turn. My turn. Sorry. Okay, let's try to split up a little. We'll have more room. You ready? Okay, you go.
Who's the backflip rings like this?
Yeah, my turn.
Only 3 times. Or 5 times.
Oh, you almost had it. My turn. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Okay, when I say 3, do it, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is yours. That's 1 point for you. That's one. Okay, that's a good one. Here, take that one. Okay, you have to go back a little bit so I don't hit you. Ready? Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. No points. Dale.
Whoa. I want to try this here.
From where? Against the wall. Try it. Whoa, you almost had it. My turn. Let me see it.
To go right here.
Okay, let me see it.
Your bottle's over here.
My bottle at? Go get my bottle. Huh? Put my sandal on. Beep, 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 beep. All right, let me see it. My bottle. Whoa. No, they have to be straight.
Okay.
This side. Get on this side right here. There you go. All right. Almost.
Whoa.
Yeah. Let me see it. Whoa. Oops. Your turn.
Okay.
My turn.
Okay.
Oh.
I like winter here.
Yeah, I know. There you go. Your turn. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh my gosh. I almost had it. Come on, your turn.
Yeah, I was on close.
You was on what?
I was on close.
Yeah, I almost did right. Okay, it's my turn. 1. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Bing.
Whoa, I like jumped to my bottle.
Yeah, I almost hit your bottle right. Put up there. All right.
Yeah.
Almost. All right, let me see my bottle. Pick my bottle up.
Okay.
It's right there. There you go. My turn, your turn.
Okay.
It's my turn?
Okay.
My turn? All right. Boot Boy says it's my turn, so let's beat Boot Boy.
1, 2, 3.
Beep. Oh! Give me 5, Boot Boy. You had it. Yay. You got 1. You got 2 now. Try it again one more time. Let's see who get 3 points. Okay, my turn. Oh, 3 times. Good job, Boot Boy. My turn. Oh. Can I try one more time? See if I do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, 4. Okay, I give up. You won. Bang. Let's do it on the floor now.
Okay.
Now, right here, you got to be standing up, though. We're going to have to, you see? We're going to have to jump it. Jump the bridge with the water bottle.
Okay.
Like that, look. Let me show you. There you go. My turn. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Okay, your turn. My turn. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
I guess you beat me. Let's keep trying. You did a backflip? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay. I guess you won. You beat me. You did 3 times. Remember, you got to talk to us there. Say, don't forget to subscribe to our Boot Boys channel.
Subscribe to Good Boy channel. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.